Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by checking versions and connections. This avoids handshake failures. Plug the link cable into the PC's USB 3, 0 port and the Quest 2 USB-C. Once done, put on the headset and accept the USB data prompt inside the Quest. Allow data access. Make sure Oculus PC app is running and signed in to the same account. If you see a prompt to enable Rift Link, select it. This initiates the secure VR connection and negotiates performance settings. You now verify the link session and tune performance for smooth gameplay. In the Oculus PC app, pick the Quest 2 and click Launch Rift Link. The headset will show a connecting screen. If performance stutters, reduce the bitrate and select a lower refresh rate. This trades fidelity for frame stability. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and the PC isn't thermal throttled. Once the VR home loads, try a simple app to confirm stable frames before jumping into demanding titles. You're wrapping up by learning the safe disconnect and one key fix. Quit Rift Link in the PC app and then unplug the cable to avoid corrupted sessions. If Link won't connect, first swap to a different USB 3, 0 port or try the official cable. Cheap cables often fail data transfer. Also reboot both the PC and headset because stale drivers or hung services block connection. If problems persist, check Task Manager for heavy CPU/GPU use and close those.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.